Hi, welcome to the last cask. It's David Mason, and we are coming today from the Cotswolds Distillery. Yes, not far from Stratford upon Avon, the home of the great bard William Shakespeare. Beautiful place, lovely countryside, well worth a visit. Let's talk about the distillery though. Began production 2014, early 2014, and laid down their first cask September 2014. The whisky itself is 46% ABV, it's non-chill filtered and non-coloured. And an interesting factoid, this scored 94 points and above in the 2016-2019 Whisky Bible. That's Jim Murray's Whisky Bible, and has won numerous awards, as you'd expect, because it's a very, very nice dram. And as you can see, I've had a little taste, and why not? Anyway, this whisky, interestingly, is like Glengoyne in the slow distillation process. They do longer fermentation and they use some rather unusual yeasts. I won't go into those types of strains because I don't know enough about them, but they're trying a very different dynamic in their process of whisky to give more richer and more mature flavour. And they've done this in this what I would call their standard range. It's a single malt whisky. It's been produced to get smooth, fruity, well balanced characters, and I think it's about 3.5 years old. Matured in ex-bourbon casks and reconditioned STR red wine cask. That's shaved, toasted and recharred. Gives a more mature depth of flavour. So hey, without further ado, let's get into the whisky. Oh, before I do, I need to give a shout out to Alan and Kate from Kent at Eaglesfield, who kindly got me this bottle of whiskey on their holidays in the Cotswolds. So thanks guys, it was a good call and really appreciated. Right, the whiskey. So, the nose. Oh, let's look at the colour. Why not? There you go. I'll just have a wee show of that. It's very nice, light coppery, almost a rose gold. And the viscosity for a young whisky is very good. Some nice honey, light fruits, apricots, and just in the back I'm just getting, it's like ripe banana. It suggests marzipan, but sort of light almonds palate. Smooth, rich, light tannins, quite oily actually. Some dark sugar, sweetness, very light spice, light cinnamon, and you've got yes, some marmalade. I say Seville orange marmalade, but I'd go with that. Orangey, creamy, citrusy. Wow, there's a lot going on here. The STR cask, and I've had previous characters and expressions, really do emit those types of flavours, which is absolutely lovely. And of course the bourbon with the citrus. But interestingly, I mentioned about the unusual yeasts and the esters they can produce to give those lovely citrus notes. This is very, very good indeed. And the price point of this is around about £40. So for a dram of this quality and consistency, with quite a few things going on in terms of its character and the notes, I'm really, really impressed. And the finish on this, yeah, it's long, as I say, resinous, I'm getting some dark fruits, blackberries, hint of toffee, treacly, just lingering mellow spice. I think it's absolutely delightful and you will not be disappointed. Another interesting fact, as you'll note on the bottle, it says Odyssey barley. This is 2017 barley from Warminster Maltings, very well established business in malted barley. So yeah, give it a go and I'll raise a glass to you and say cheers.